Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be creating this makeup look for you guys. Look, I was feeling very extraterrestrial, extra something, like very extra. Danzery, okay? Go ahead and check out Danzery. I'm gonna have the link in the description bar below for all your unusual pieces, guys. Check out my girl Camille at Danzery, alright? Don't play. 2022, we slay. Okay. Yes, so today we're gonna be featuring this look. I wanted something drugstore and something that really popped out at you, like the second you see it, you're like, yes girl, like that I did want. So this is what we're bringing today. Something metallic chromish type look going on the eyes, featuring some glitter on top and bottom, and yes, the contacts are back. I know you missed them. I missed them too. But yeah guys, I'm loving this look. It came out exactly how I visioned it, and I love when that happens. I'ma feel like I need to put in my nose ring, my fake nose ring, but my nose ring nonetheless. Don't tell nobody. Shh. Feel like I need it. I might go feet and come back. BRB. There we go. If you guys would like for me to make a video showing you guys how to make these 100, you feel like that overly ambitious, get it to 100 likes and I'm gonna make a video showing you guys how to fake a couple piercings, septum, nose, ears, everything, right? If you guys want to see that video, just give this video a couple thumbs up. All right, so yeah, enough with the long chattings. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just go on ahead and stay tuned. Before we get any further, show your girl some love, hit that subscribe button. Oh, by the way, where are my manners? If you're here for the first time, my name is Toya. Thanks for checking out my channel, and you'll love it over here, so stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned to see the makeup tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me dreams, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down, na just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition, ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
So starting off with my brows first, I'm going to be using my trusty Anko eyebrow pencil. See there, that look one you almost finished. I'm going to go ahead and just fill in my brows with this. There isn't much to fill in when it comes on to my brows, so this part is usually very easy. Guys, if you guys see me take these contacts off before the video ends, just know it's because I could not see shit. Cleaning this up with the number 5 concealer from Milani Cosmetics, from their Secret Cover concealer line. And I will forever love the consistency of this concealer because it's super thick and very smooth, and as such very effective. And I'm only taking that under the bottom part. And unlike what I normally do, I'm not going to use this to base my eyelid at this point. I'm deliberately leaving the top part of my brows untouched because I'm going to be using the foundation to clean up the top. To prime my eyes, I'm using my Jordana eyeshadow base in number 1. And I'm bringing that all over the lid space. Pressing it into the lid. And anywhere I don't need it, I can always just clean up after. But I just figured my finger would be the best tool for this job, considering the spread that I want and the consistency that I want the product to have in certain places on my lid space. Damn, that sounded like a lot. Taking a wet wipe and just cleaning up where I do not wish for that product to be. Gonna be using this brush from Be Small just to press out the product and kind of fuse both the primer and the concealer together. Okay, so I'm cheating. This is supposed to be a drugstore look. However, the palette that I wanted, I cannot find it. So I'm just going to be using the Sahara 2 by Juvia's. The look that I had in my head, I can only get using this palette because it has every single color that I'm thinking of here. So I'm going to start out with this color in my crease, using a tapered brush from Be Small. And that's going to be the color in here. Now I am praying this look comes out exactly how I want it, because bruh, I just want it to look so nice. Trying not to be too precise, because the way I saw this color was just really spread out in my crease, just, you know, as a beginning. And I'm just patting it and placing it where I want it to be. For the first color on my lid, I'm gonna go for a muted tan, like a tan color. So I'm gonna be using a pressed powder, a Milani beige powder, but any matte kind of yellow muted type of color is perfectly fine. Just on the inner part of my lid, because I'm thinking of using 3 to 4 eyeshadow colors for this look. Next, I'm gonna go into Taza and use a little bit of it. It's the same color in my crease, just a little bit, and go up. That's all. Next, I'm going to take Nomad, and Nomad is like a metallic brown color, like a metallic bronze-ish, and I'm gonna put it right beside that color that I just applied. And Nomad is going to end up having another color on top of it, so keep that in mind. After Nomad, I'm going into Berber, which is this gorgeous metallic blue, which really was meant to be the highlight of this here look. Now I might have to apply this with my finger or something. I don't know if I'll end up changing my mind. Look how beautiful that color is, man. I really didn't want to walk all over my crease, you know. Trying to make sure that that base color is strong. And then finally, I'm going to put on Fez, which is a brown, chocolate brown. And I'm bringing it kind of high up. You might want to use your fingers because they blend way better. And I feel like I have already created this look or something similar, but like a long time ago. I'm taking some of this banana powder. You guys don't have to do this. I'm gonna intensify the color on the inside part of my eye, because the banana powder is way stronger than that Milani pressed powder. So I'm gonna put it back because I want the thing to have a smoother entry. There we go. It's a smoother entry. Now I'm gonna go back into Taza and just apply a lot of that to the crease area, because I am gonna go back in with that very large blending brush and just blend everything together. Now the reason why you don't have to be so focused on this being perfect is because I'm gonna be putting glitter on this, all of this. Work everything back and forth until my crease is really smooth. Now I love this blue so friggin' much. I want to feel it a little bit more, so I'm gonna go into more of it and just kind of soften it back out. Now I'm gonna line my eyes with the Blackout Color Extend from Jordana, and this is one of the smoothest eyeshadow pencils you will ever use in your life. I won't be doing the top yet, but I'm lining the bottom lashes, the bottom lash line. So next, for the fun part of this look, I'm going to be incorporating some liquid glitters. Now these are very cheap. I got one for like $100 and something. I can just go in with this mix, which is pretty much all that's happening on my lids. And now I'm gonna go in with the glitter mix. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the back of my hand first. I feel like I'm using this in one video already too. So now it has all the colors that I featured on the top part of the lid. Alright, so I just put a little bit of that glitter just to give me a little bit of action. And I'm gonna go under my lower lash line with the blue glitter because I'm gonna feel very bold. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Finally, I'm gonna be taking this white gold called Aziza, and I'm going to pop that right in here so that it can do that. That's beautiful. To set my brow bone area, I'm going back into that same color that I used to do the inner part of my eyes the first time. I'm just pressing that up there, so nice and easy, yeah, and then blending it out. Alright, so I'm just getting rid of any excess that may be on my face. I wanted to line my eyes, but as in the top, but I don't think I'm going to. I think it might take away from the look. So I'm just gonna put some mascara on. Y'all know I'm using the Great Lash. Watch me, I got blind myself though. To prime my face, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Prep. This shit's so bright. This primer is really nice. The consistency is very smooth. It makes your makeup glide on. I have dry skin, guys, but I do get oily in my T-zone. In case you're wondering what my skin type is like, to know if this primer will work for you. And right here, my problem areas are the creases on my damn face. I mean, I laugh a lot. My smile lines, you know, they're always there, but there's this one friggin' crease right here that does nothing but piss me off. Oh well. Now you guys know how much I love the Jordana foundations, right? I'm gonna be using 11 and 12 today. Now 12 is normally what I use. I've said this before. However, I am no longer that dark, so I'm gonna be using 11 as my shade and 12 to contour. I'm gonna be applying the product with the Be Small flat angled brush. But before I do that, I'm gonna take some of the foundation onto the brush that I clean up my brows with, and I'm gonna clean up the top part of my brows. God, I wish I could see right now. I don't know why I can't see, you know. I don't know what I keep. I don't know what I keep. It's like if I close one of my eyes, I can kind of see. I don't know what is going on. I'm gonna carefully press near my brows. Then this much foundation should be able to do it. When I'm just creating faces just for YouTube, I hate wasting product. I really do. Don't ever forget under your neck. Okay, so once I'm done with that, to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. And this is in the shade Fawn. I have not used her in so long, guys. And I'm going to be doing a heavy set contour because I want this look to be dramatic. As you guys can see, I'm also doing some reverse contouring as well. I'm telling you guys, like, I want it to pop, pop, okay? I'm using a wedge to get up under my eye without disturbing my product. My application, because that's super important at this point. But what I want to try is, I want to try that trick that I see everybody do now, which is taking that contour, that highlight over the outer part of the nose. I want to see how that looks. I've never done that. They say it makes your highlight stand out, and then like your contour, it helps to contour the nose area. So I kind of want to see how true that is, if it's doable or not. So I'm blended now, but I want fill on the inside of my eye. I want these bags right here to be gone. I want these bags to be very gone right here. Taking my time, getting right up underneath my eyes. Now it's gonna be, that's the difference between the two, between my highlight and my contour shade. I'm just low lighting this here area to give me a little shadow. Now honestly, I thought this would be a little bit more pronounced, but I'm getting more close to my skin tone than a contour shade, so I think I'm gonna be making this deeper with a powder. And because I did that reverse contouring, the highlighted portion right under my cheekbones is gonna make my contour stand out, despite it not being so far from my actual complexion. So I'm gonna set my face with my favorite powder, the Black Opal Deluxe in medium. Alright, guys, some things never leave out of my kit. That's straight. I'm gonna do the sponge. Oh, same wedge, I just flipped it over. Dip, 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 knock, press. I don't really bake anymore. For like a daily face, I don't bake, because baking gives you drama. If you're going for something subtle, baking is not necessary, so to speak. And I'm doing that thing that I see that they do, guys, which is to bring the baking over that outer part of your nose. I don't know if it works for everyone, but I have not tried it, so I'm trying it for you guys so you can tell me, and I can also tell you if I think it works. And I'm gonna leave that layer while I apply my lashes. Okay, so I got these lashes from MLV Beauty World. I'm gonna be using the most dramatic one, which would of course be this one here, because I need drama. Okay, we're bringing the drama today. Okay, yeah, I don't know how people wear these dramatic ass lashes, but they're very not me, but they give me the vibe I was going for the looking up. But I'm telling you, even putting these bitches on. Anyways, I'm gonna dust the excess powder away. Eyeliner catch me right there, so but I have to go fix that. Using Ginger by Milani, I'm gonna be setting my whole face, and that includes just dusting it over all the highlighted areas, like my entire face, because I just want to set these areas properly. Smoothing out the edges of the highlight, everything. Alright, I'm gonna be following up my contour with this chocolate color from this Profusion palette. You can get like Profusion in like Walmart, I think. Ooh, one thing with this deep color is very cool. It's more on the cool side, so if you don't be careful, it can mess up your entire look. But when I top this off with a blusher, I should be fine. But I needed a deeper set contour than that. I can definitely say my my nose contour stands out way more with the trick, for real. All these three colors to give me a really nice blush. But you know, mixing vibes. Some of us I go bop 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 bop, yeah, until I feel pleased. Yeah. Give me something nice and playful. I love it. Yeah. I'm gonna be going into this liner by LA Girl called Brown, and I'm gonna use that to line my lips. So to top that off, I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie, which is like a nude. I need that brown. And to highlight, I'm gonna be using this gold color from the palettes. Guys, it is raining just in time because I want you guys to be able to hear my narration. But this is the finished look, my loves. I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous, like dead ass gorgeous in person. I don't know if this camera is doing me any justice with this face right now, but bro, it's nice. Okay, so I went back over the NYX gloss with this Juicy Jelly fruity flavored lip jelly, and I'm really glad I did that because the NYX gloss wasn't giving me the poo that I wanted. That boom, okay, you feel me? Them lashes, yeah, and I can tell me not to feel them. They're giving me what I want, but they're not sitting as how I want them to sit. They're standing. I'm a clown, I know. Guys, I'm loving my hair. I'm never not loving my hair though. But not like, I'm gonna come up on my ear, I'm gonna come out very strong. I love it. Anyways guys, I really enjoyed creating this makeup look with you guys today. If you enjoyed the video and if you had fun, do not forget, hit that subscribe button so I know that you liked the video. Thumbs up this video as well for more content like this. As always, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this makeup look. And if you stopped by just to watch me, you know, slay this face, then thank you guys so much for your support. Thanks so much for the love you continuously show me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys so much, and until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.